Okay guys, this is Magnus. So we're back. We already took off the doghouse. What we're gonna go ahead and do is change out the distributor cap and rotor. The first thing we have to do is you gotta look up the firing order for your vehicle. It should be on the driver's side door. If not, look up your owner's manual. So the best thing to do is if it has labels like these, write them down on the old distributor cap with like a marker. Um, Usually V8s are 1, 3, 5, and 7 on the driver's side. On the passenger side is 2, 4, 6, and 8. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this. This one has some zip ties, so I'm trying to cut these things out. Alright. We'll get all these things out now. Okay. Sure. Getting all these things out of the way. Alright. Just verifying. Usually it's best to do it one by one, but since I already know the firing order, that doesn't really matter. There are some plugs. If you have a point distributor, you won't have these. But since it's an HEI going to the coil, there's going to be some plugs down here. You got to unplug these. We'll get these a little bit later. Let me get everything else out. Okay guys, the distributor cap is off. I had to go ahead and switch out the coils. All you have to do is take off these 4 screws on top. Mine was missing 1 screw, so I don't have an extra screw for that. And then you take off these 2 wires. You have to pry them out with a screwdriver, and then once you lift it up, there's a spring in the bottom that you have to take off. And you have to make sure you take that off because it's very easy to miss. It's right here. This is the little spring. So make sure. Now we're working on the rotor. I just took it out. It was only 2 simple screws. This is the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and get this taken out. My new rotor came with brand new screws, so